Ngoda Solomon, a teacher at Awelem Primary School. I would like to take this great moment to thank our DEO for choosing our school and provide us with the primary science kit through the Ministry of Education and Sport, together with River Flow International. Furthermore, I want to thank the First Lady for approving this initiative to be used throughout the country. Lastly, I want to thank the facilitators who has given us knowledge today, and my head teacher for also facilitating my movement up to this place and facilitating our transport. So I want to thank him so much for choosing me among the many teachers. May the Almighty God bless them all.